Welcome back to the channel. This is biryani made with quarter chicken legs that have been deboned. It is something which I have perfected, I believe, over time, and I'll take you through the journey as you watch this. Just a couple of notes: there's something on nutmeg, and make sure that you always use a thick base pot. Skin and bone the chicken, fry the potatoes in salt. And here are your ingredients, one by one. Add them in, and what's important here is you have a phased marinated system. So altogether the marination process is about 4 hours, but you add the ingredients gradually and let the chicken absorb the different flavors at different points in time. Now, when preparing the pot with the chicken, make sure that you roll the chicken up like it looks like a leg, put them in each different places, and add the potatoes to the top of it. Follow clearly the method for making the rice to ensure you've got good layering and you've got really nice long stretched fragrant rice. To this initial layer, don't add any saffron, but to the second layer, make sure that you've added your saffron and your fried onions to the top of it, and then return those few cardamoms and that cinnamon stick to the center where you can retrieve it again later. The saffron can be added raw, you don't need to mix it with water. Seal everything up like this with very thick bake off oil or triple folded bake off oil, and cook on a high heat 15 to 20 minutes, and you'll see the pressure be released from the pot. Once the steam comes out, it's really fragrant, it's really magical. Then lower the heat and cook for a further 30 minutes or so. What's really crucial here is you don't get tempted to open it. You've got to leave it for a good 30 minutes. Those juices will really permeate where they can't be released. Remove those bits. Now your diners have got an effortless opportunity to eat. No bits, no bones, just a perfect biryani at its finest, ready within half a day.